Alright guys, good evening, welcome back. House Prophet here with another invention design. This is a B-1B Lancer. This is one of the three American strategic bombers. After there's B-2 Spirit and B-52 Strato Fortress. So these are an aircraft for the 70s. So a lot of things going on in the 70s. We have the B-52 coming up, and then there was also a very popular bomber known as B-58 Hustler. It is a Mark II bomber, but the payload was slightly less. So this aircraft was developed, it is a Mach 1.2, so it goes actually 1.2 speed of local speed of sound. And B-1B, the bone kind of looks like a bone shape. You can see it's the head here and all that stuff. But the reason this bulge actually reduces drag, according to area rule. We don't want a bulge and then or a small section and suddenly increasing. So I'd rather have increasing, reaching a maximum and then reducing. So it's a good thing for that bulge. And then now we have our wings. So we have a very good area rule. The aircraft has 4 crew. We have the commander, we have the pilot, we have the air defense officer and air offensive. So those are four stations there. Length is 45 meters and full wingspan without a sweep is 42. Normal wing sweep will be about 20 degrees. And the main reason we sweep is, as you can see, this aircraft has a shock wave, and that's the shock cone. So you want to make sure that the entire aircraft is inside the supersonic, so that the entire flow is supersonic. But if these wings were not swept, there would actually be half of the wing is in sonic and the other one is in subsonic. And then we're going to have a lot of airflow separation. So we keep everything inside. You find that the drag factor is much lower when you're actually moving at Mach than transonic at 0.98 Mach. So maximum takeoff weight for this aircraft is close to 450,000 pounds. Can carry about 75,000 kilograms. That's 75 tons of weapons. They're all stored internally to reduce the radar signature. Material is RAM radar absorbent material, and look at that. So those are the 4 engines, General Electric 100-102 turbofans, 4 of them, each producing 17,000 pounds of thrust. Thrust weight ratio is close to 0.3, which is a standard, but this one is 0.38. The thrust weight ratio 0.38, wing loading is about 1.67. That's your wing loading. That's pretty decent. Anyway guys, so tell me what you think. The B-1B Lancer, so coming up is the B-2 and then the B-52. Alright, take care guys, tell me what you think. Adios, masalama.